landscaping to do. But in 1 month, we are going to be putting a pool right there. Finally, it's done. So pool's clean. We're gonna put out patio furniture tonight and go swimming. And then the reason it still looks like this is because we got an automatic cover, and with COVID, it's delayed 90 days. So as of right now, we just don't have a cover until that comes in, but it's ready to swim. I've had a lot of people ask me what type of pool we got because a lot of people were shocked with how quick it got installed. So we got a fiberglass pool. Between the 3 different types of pool, there's a liner pool, and then there's the fiberglass, and then the gunite. For us, we just like fiberglass because it's pretty low maintenance. We don't ever have to change a liner, or have to get it retiled or cemented throughout the years. It's pretty low maintenance, which that's what we need. And then you can see the rest of our yard needs some love still.